Hey Kawaii gang, welcome back to the motherfreaking channel. So this video is special. This is a giveaway collab with a good friend I met on Instagram. This is MAMADOESNAILZ, and we are going to be giving away some items from ENAIL. I'm going to try to pop my giveaway clip in at the end of this video. If not, I'll have everything on the blog. This is Mama's design. There's rainbows, glow in the dark. All of her links will be down below. And our design collab is based around like rainbows, girly colors, and like unicorns and just really girly stuff. I invite you guys to go check out her video so that she can explain the idea behind our design idea. And I hope you guys love this collab. I love Mama. She's like a freaking icon in our community. If you guys love Instagram lives, Mama is always going live, and she's just a really amazing person, a sweet person, and she's essential to our community, okay, period. So love her. I love doing these collabs with people in this nail community, and I hope to continue doing it. I hope to at least be able to collab with one person every month because it is so fun. So I'll have in my cards on screen just all my previous collabs I've done with my friends so far. I have another one coming up on the 4th of June. So let's get into this video. We're doing a 1, 2, 3 Go soft gel extension set on my friend. I've already prepped her nails and applied the primer. What I'm doing here is curing on her nails, and I'm supposed to be using DIY gel from ENAIL to cure these on, but I'm accidentally using gummy jelly, which is the bling gel. And you don't want to do this because this actually has a heat spike because it's a bling gel. It's not formulated to go on a natural nail. That's my bad. I was wondering, why is she getting a heat spike? Because that never happens before. And it wasn't until I got to the pinky that I realized I effed up. So definitely be careful. This can happen because the bottles are really similar. I will keep you guys updated if these nails lift faster than the DIY gel nails or if they last longer. I'm kind of intrigued to know how that goes. But this is the DIY gel bottle, the pink one. These are the 5XL square nails, a favorite. So pretty. And I'm just flash curing these on with my flower lamp. Everything I use will be linked on my blog, femifines.com. And if I don't put my giveaway clip in this video, I will have everything on the blog, like pictures of everything we're giving away on the blog post anyway. So this is one of the new colors from ENAIL. My friend was yawning, sorry you guys. I tried to edit around it because it was one of those mildly infuriating things, like especially when you're trying to watch something for ASMR value or something. I know people get annoyed by little stuff like that, but I tried to edit around it. Sometimes things happen because this is real life. But yeah, this is a new color, and this is a Catseye gel called Ultra Sun. And there's another one called Ultra Eclipse. There's also a new holographic gel I didn't get to show. I wanted to do a whole detailed swatch and everything, but I just didn't get the chance to do that here. So just stay tuned because I'll be using the new stuff in another video. But I'm just trying to take this magnet and go around the nail and create kind of like a swirl. And you can see a rainbow effect, kind of like a prism coming through. And I'm still a beginner with Catseyes. I'm still trying to figure it out. I would definitely recommend you guys go check out Max's Instagram because he knows how to do these Catseyes so well. He did this on top of a nude gel set that he did for someone. And it looked so gorgeous, you guys. I want to be able to do my Catseyes as good as him. So this is the best I'm doing so far. Like, I'm still trying to learn. I think there's a technique to this. There's a certain type of magnet you gotta get. This magnet is kind of like pushing everything towards the middle is what I'm trying to do. And then I kind of like, I'm trying to create a swirl, but yeah, it is what it is. So Mama's gonna be giving away stuff too. You guys should definitely go check out that video as well, because I think you'll have well, with my giveaway, I'm gonna choose 2 winners. I don't know how many she's gonna choose for her giveaway, but you have multiple opportunities to win, and yeah, that's always fun. So the giveaway rules, the giveaway dates will all be on the blog post. We actually haven't I actually haven't just figured out how I feel about what I want to do with the giveaway yet. I tend to always do my giveaways for at least 2 weeks. I think I want to start doing them for longer, like a month. I think what's really special about this color, because this is not the first time we've seen a gel kind of like this with the rainbow, but this one is special because it has this blue kind of flaky thing going on in the background color, and it is really nice and really, really pretty. Just look at that sparkle, you guys. Oh my god, these are so gorgeous. They look so beautiful just like this. These 5XL squares are something else, y'all, and I haven't even cleaned up the free edge. I forgot to do it at this point. So I'll come back and clean up the free edge soon. She's had these nails on for a couple days now, and they're still on, no breaking, no cracking or anything, and I didn't use that many layers of gel. By the way, I'm putting on her bling and charms with the gummy jelly, the same thing that I accidentally cured her nails on with. But yeah, so they kind of look on the thin side because they're not acrylics, but I like that look right now. I like that. I don't know. The great thing though is that they're not really thin at all. We got 1 layer of the Catseye gel, a bunch of charms on top, and then I come in with a thick top coat on the top and bottom side of the nails, so that really helps. They also have a really good apex in here, so there's no chance for cracking around the nail bed area, which is a stress area. These huge stones, I got these a while back on Ali. I have a whole blog post just dedicated towards bling. If you guys want some affordable, low-cost bling, because I was never really like a Swarovski everything person. I like the knockoff stones, and there's so many amazing shapes, styles, and colors, and these are just like so inexpensive. It is amazing. You get like, I think I got like 10 of these for $2 or something. Alright, we're here doing our top coat, and I'm going around the big huge stone, and then I'm going to go on top of everything else. I'm going to leave that flower matte, and the nails look even more amazing with the top coat on the underside. It just looks really nice and jelly pretty. Something about this color, it's like you can only see the beauty accurately in person. It feels like it was very difficult to get a shot of these outside because she even came back the whole next day. Shout out to Desiree for that. She came back the whole next day to try to help me get a shot outside, but it was raining. The sun wasn't out. There was no direct sunlight, so you couldn't see the prism, the rainbow. But honestly, it doesn't matter. You really see it here. It's just not as beautiful. So if this looks good to you, it looks even better in real life. It's so hard to explain. It's such an ethereal, magical fairy color. So when you guys are shopping on ENAIL, if you are gonna buy this, definitely make sure to use my code FemiBeauty for 10% off. There is gonna be a Memorial Sale weekend too, and the promo code is USA20 for that one, 20% off. I don't remember when that one ends, but it will be probably on the site. Here we are outside doing our best, but there is no sun, nothing but rain clouds over our heads, but guess what? They're still cute. And I love the gray look. They look kind of gray. And I never thought about doing gray nails, but it pairs so beautifully with all of these pink girly charms. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you guys for all of your support and your love. Welcome to all of the new Kawaii gang members and girl bosses and boy bosses. Shout out to you guys. Share this video with a friend. Please excuse the lawnmowers in the back. I would totally redo this, but I don't have time. I really don't have time. So I'm so sorry about that. I love you guys. I hope you have an amazing day or night, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.